Hello everyone. This is one more interesting question that came in IIT Jam in 2025. Uh, we will solve this question in two ways. One is direct from the picture itself, and another is the bookish method. Okay, and we will understand the things as well as. Okay, so first we will read the question. A well-developed succession of laminated shale is bounded by two volcanic ash beds. These are two volcanic ash beds. Okay, and beds that were precisely dated as shown in the systematic diagram given below. Okay, both the beds have given ages. Okay, assuming a constant sediment rate. Okay, the sediments that are deposited within this. No, suppose this is a basin and that basin sediments are coming and deposit. The rate of deposition within this is constant. That lines we have drawn, it will take a similar time. This to this will take a all are constant. Okay, okay, means a constant. Okay, we will find that value. Okay, so now and there is one firstly furious bed here. One firstly furious bed, limestone. We are getting limestone here. Okay, this is our limestone. Okay, which contain fossils. Okay, and it is 65 meter above the basal volcanic ash bed. It is 65 meter above from the basic. Okay, if here to here is 65, here to here is also 65, here to here is also 65. If we will add 3, we will get 195, and the total thickness between the two volcanic ash bed is 195. Okay, so first we will go with the direct method and then we will directly solve from the option. Okay, means from this picture itself. Okay, how we'll use this. Okay, so first we have to find out what we have a constant rate of sediments, so we have to calculate the rate of sedimentation. Okay, so to calculate the rate of sedimentation, sediment rate is having a formula of age divided by distance. Instead of distance I will write height or thickness. Height is also wrong. Okay, use thickness. Okay, thickness. Okay, thickness between beds. Which bed? Whom we know means the age, the beds whose age we know. Okay, these are the two. Na? So how much is the age? So 106, 196, 109 minus 996. And what is the thickness of? Thickness is 195. We are calculating rate. Okay, sediment rate. Okay, it is 195. You will subtract this, we will get 13 by 195. And we will get, after dividing 13 by this, we have a calculator in that. Okay, in the exam. Okay, so we can calculate from there. Okay, I will tell you one direct method also. Okay. Age per meter. Okay, this is the per million year. Okay, for means one for per meter. Okay, this is the rate. Okay, for per meter. Okay, so we have to calculate for how many meters? we have to calculate for 6 meter, 65 meter thickness. So we will just multiply this with 65. We will get how much? 4.33. Now this is cancelled, okay, with this okay. For 65 meter, how much time it will take to make 65 meter thick bed? This much time it will take, okay. So we have to calculate the, and one basic concept is here we have 109 and here we have 196. The above side our ages are getting decreased now. Okay, for this 65 how much we are getting? For this 65 how much we are getting? 4.33. So instead of adding we are subtracting this number, okay. 105 minus 4.33. We have to subtract, okay, instead of adding, okay, because age is getting decreased now. Because here it is 96. If we will plus, it will go up to, if we will add these two values, we will get what? We will get 100 plus 113 point something, like this value, na? That value should come below here, na? Below 109. So we have to subtract this value, okay? So how much we will get after subtraction? Not 9 minus 4.33, we will get 104.67. This is our answer. Okay, in a similar way, if they are telling that to calculate this one, suppose this is our A, this is our B boundary, suppose something is there, okay. So how much we have to, because 2 times now, it is 2 times 65, 65. So multiply by 2 here, multiply by 2 here and subtract that value, okay. We will get the for B, okay. So now this is a long method, okay. So now how we will solve directly from the picture itself, okay. What is the maximum age? 105, 109, and minimum age 96. We will subtract that. We will get 13. How much we will get? 13. We have to divide 13 by this way. This how many? 65, 65, 65. 3. 13 by 3. Okay. For to calculate 65, we divide by 3, okay. Otherwise for single layer, okay, that dotted one, we have to divide it by for this height, okay, for only this much. But here it is already given a 65, so we will directly calculate. We will divide this, we will get 4.33. We simply subtract from this number. We will simply subtract from 109. We will get our answer. Need not to do this. Simple basic method we will use, okay. Why we are subtracting? Because age is getting decreased with the height if beds are not overturned, okay. This is the case. So apart from this, if you have any question, okay, you can ask me, okay, and ask from the system from wherever you are learning, and share this video with your friends, okay. Don't wait for the opportunity, okay. And hope you learn something from this video. Thank you.